What's up YouTube? Eastern PA Fishing here. The date is March 15th. Happy birthday to me. Also with me today, I have my Mystery Tackle Box Pro Bass Pro Edition for the month of March. Came in the mail a couple days ago. We're about to unbox this and see what's inside. Stick around, it should be a good video. If you like regular fishing content, check out some of the other videos in this channel. If you like those videos, subscribe to the channel, comment below, let me know what you think of this box. Eastern PA Fishing, let's open that box. First off, for $11.99, $12 from Wesson. That's almost half the box right there. We have the Hypno Tees. Awesome, dope big swim bait. I'm gonna bust this one out for you. Real deal shad color, big bait fish imitation. Some of these bigger swim baits can go anywhere from 30 to 45 bucks. This is just a really nice hookup from Mystery Tackle Box. Something that's definitely gonna catch big bass. I mean, big bass will bite this. Smaller bass will bite this too, but chances are, if you get a bite with this thing, it's gonna be a big bass. This is a real nice bait. Next up, from Catch Co. Mystery Tackle Box Company, we have the Flippin' Jig for $3.79. Black, brown, red flake. Real dope little finesse jig. This time of year, a smaller jig like this is great for catching big bass. Chuck it around some cover, drag it over rocks, you know, always keep a nice slow retrieve. It still is cold out. This is something that's definitely going to catch a lot of fish. Sorry if I'm shaking, it is freezing out here. Next up, for $8.29 from Catch Co. as well, another Mystery Tackle Box bait. We have the Runt. Mystery Tackle Box, Catch Co. Company Runt. The Ghost Gill color. A slow sinking bait, so this will sink. You can fish this on 8 to 12 pound test, but if you put this on some heavier mono, you can actually probably keep it floating a little better. This is actually either a crankbait or a subsurface bait. You know, you can get this down lower if you keep your rod tip down low, or you can have it run along the top of the water with like a waking motion. You control the depth of this lure with the angle of your rod tip. This is a real awesome little bait, wobbler. I used to have one of these. I lost it a long time ago, back in the day when I didn't know how to tie proper knots. Awesome freaking colors. I mean, this is just such a dope bait. But the wobbler, I haven't had one of those in years. Next up, Big O Game Changer lures. We have brush bands for $1.50. Okay, these are sweet. A lot of people think these are like wacky bands. You put them on your wacky rigged worm. They hold them on there a little bit. You can actually use those for that. So you get a little double here. What you're supposed to do with these, see if I can do this. So what you do is you put this over your weed guard like this, down around the jig head. Split your jig's weed guard like so. Then you come up through the middle of the split and you just slide it back over the jig head like that. Yours will probably look a lot better than mine. I just did this real fast. But that's the idea. My skirt looks like crap. It splits the weed guard so there's more coverage, less chance of getting a snag, and also you have a better hookup ratio because now your hook has better exposure. Next up from Carl Stash, we have for $1.50 we have pegs. I actually misplaced these. I opened this box a little prior to this video. So anyway, those are just little beads that, you know, pin your bullet weight from going too high. They're not really too much to see. So moving right along. Next up from Catch Co. we have this saw crawl for $6.99. These are juiced with stank, so I don't know if I really want to touch these. Two different colors. Oh wow, they do stink. Oh man, these really stink. So you get two different colors, green pumpkin and brown. Oh, these things stink. But these you can just use as a little trailer on your jig, or you can Texas rig them. They're pretty big for a lot of the waters around here, but you could definitely catch a bigger fish on this. 7-pack. 3 of the brown and 4 of the green pumpkin. I'm actually pretty happy about that because I'll use the green pumpkin more. I don't know how many brown crawls there are all around here, but that's just an awesome deal. Next up, for $7.99 from Genco Fishing, we have a big spinnerbait. 1 ounce spinnerbait, double willow blade, super awesome bait. Always make sure you have a trailer or a trailer hook on there. Trailer hook is more preferred. Unless you're fishing grass, then you'll probably want to use a trailer. This is just an awesome bait to have this time of year. This will just get slammed. I'm telling you, this is just going to get eaten time after time. It's great to throw right in the pre-spawn, which is coming up here in Pennsylvania in a little bit, and all over the country in other places. Some places like Texas and Florida, it's already happening. Some of those fish are actually already spawning. Probably don't need a trailer just due to the fact of how long this skirt is. Just put a trailer hook on there and you're good to go. Next up, for 311 from Exone Lures, we have the Finesse Muscleback Crawl for $3.11. Nice natural color. Little crawl. Just gonna use them as a trailer on this. And there you go. You're just gonna slay fish with this. It's perfect presentation, perfect colors. That's the deal right there, people. So there you go, guys. I paid $25 for this box, no shipping and handling. And I got about $45 worth of tackle here. It's a bunch of great stuff that will work this time of year. It's a great way to discover new baits and load up your arsenal so you have a little bit of everything and anything that the bass will be looking for this time of year, or whatever you're fishing for. So if you don't know what Mystery Tackle Box is, log on to mysterytacklebox.com. $15 to $25, new baits shipped to your door every month. Thank you for watching this Mystery Tackle Box unboxing video. If you like this video, be sure to do so below and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out and the fish like it as well. Anyway, Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Keep on fishing.